Just driving the Avalanche. It actually seems to drive pretty nice. Tracks straight down the road. No odd noises I've heard out of the front end or anything. Brakes are good. No check engine light on, just that service park assist light. Shifts through all the gears nice. I can switch into the four-wheel drive. Let's see here. Well, it says it's in four-wheel drive. Nice smooth transition. This one mirror is cracked a little bit. So the dashboard is definitely cracked, and the key is a little hard to turn. I don't know what that is, but just trying to let you know everything. It does have the tow package on it, but AC's blowing cold. This is a bumpy road, and it's a nice quiet ride. Hear that dashboard a little bit. It's telling me to put on my seatbelt, but doesn't smells nice inside. Yeah, actually a nice smooth ride. I'll test out the four-wheel drive here. Hitting the brakes pretty hard, and it's working just fine. Oh yeah, the four-wheel drive's engaged. Climbing up the hills. Get this into two-wheel drive. So yeah, I mean, ride and drive is pretty strong. All right, well, give me a call, 330-501-2948, and we'll talk. Thanks. Bye.